This video is to study the weighted mean. And the weighted mean, it will be useful for solving a problem like this. Let's start with the example. Imagine that we have a data set, and in this data set, some of the data repeat. For example, here number 3 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So instead of adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, why not multiply 7 times 3? And they will be the same answer. For example, number 5 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the frequency of 5, we say that is 4. So instead of add 5 times plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, we can multiply 4 times 5. So that means now that instead of adding all the number, we can multiply the number by its frequency. And we'll save time by doing that. So that links to the definition of the weighted mean. So the weighted mean, so it's actually the same mean. So we add together all the numbers, but then the number will be multiplied by the frequencies. And then we add the frequency, because if I add together, how many times appears the 3? How many times appears number 6? How many times appears number 4? I'm going to know all the possible values. So this will be the same of n if I add the frequency. So that gives you another way for computing the mean in an easier way. Yes? So will be the weighted mean. I'm going to define it, will be the sum of the data, but each data multiplied by the frequency, divided by the sum of the frequency. And then this case will be equal to 7 times 3, and because 3 appears 7 times. Yeah? 6 times 4, because number 4 appears 6 times, as you can see here. And 4 times 5, because 5 appears 4 times. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, 3 times 6, because 6 appears 3 times. 6, and there is another 6 here. And then add together, you can count 1, 2, 3, but of course you can add 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3, and they give you 20, so divide by 20. So the adding of the frequency give you the same amount that the total number of values. So then you can use this multiplication, and that give you the number at the top, 83 divided by 20, and the answer is 4.15. But this idea leads to the definition of a weighted mean, because there will be some situation when that is not that it's not that the value appears several times. Maybe each value have different weight, and that's the reason why I prefer to say weighted mean equal the sum of the weight times the value divided by the sum of the weight. In this case, that we have the frequency, different frequency, we can consider that the frequency are the weight. Okay, so let's see an example of this, how to use this formula. The example is the following. The following table displays the credit and grades of the subject that Tina at EB University took last semester. Compute last semester Tina's GPA. So we have the GPA is actually the average of the grades, but the weighted average. So we have the grades 4, 3.7, 3, 2.3, but each of the grades, so these are the grades are here in letter, but obviously we are going to use the numbers. This 2.3, for example, is equivalent to this C plus, but we are going to use these grades. And this grade, we need to compute the average of this, but these grades have different weight, because for example, this grade for communication have a weight of 3 credits. So the credits will be the weight in this case. The 3.7 that he got in economics, it have a weight of 4, etc. So to get this, we are going to use, to get this average, we are going to use the weighted average, the weighted mean. Okay, so this will be the formula. I'm gonna use mu because this the total number of grades for Tina. So this is the population of subjects that she takes at the university, yeah, that she took at the university. Okay, so this for that reason I'm using the the population mean. Okay, so it will be equal to the sum. This is the formula: the W times X, the weight times X divided by the sum of the weight. So will be equal to 3 times 4 plus 4 times 3, 7 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 2.3. Any times the weight times the value that I'm going to compute the average. So I'm going to type this here, and it will be 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 7, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 3, 4 times 4, and 2 times 3.3. Everything divided by the sum of all the weight. And here are the weights, yeah? 3, 4, 2, etc. Or you can add them here, yeah? So the answer is at the top 62.3 if you use a calculator, and at the bottom 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 18. So we have just make this division, and this is the answer, 3.46. This will be the average, the weighted average, or the GPA for teenagers.